Have you ever wondered what it's like to live and work in space? Well, the International Space Station, or ISS, is the place where this becomes a reality. It's a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to international cooperation, and a beacon of human ambition in the endless expanse of the cosmos. Imagine an outpost, not on Earth, but in the realm where the blue sky fades into the black void of space. This is the International Space Station, an orbiting laboratory, moving at a speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour, circling our planet every 90 minutes. It's a place where astronauts live and work, where nations come together for a common purpose, and where science takes a leap into the future. Constructed piece by piece in the emptiness of space, the ISS is the result of the combined efforts of space agencies from Russia, the United States, Japan, Europe, and Canada. The station was not launched all at once, but gradually, with astronauts assembling the pieces in space. Think of it as a giant jigsaw puzzle, but one that's assembled in zero gravity, 250 miles above the Earth's surface. The primary function of the ISS goes beyond merely existing in space. It's a platform for scientific research, technological development, and space exploration. Astronauts on the ISS experience life in zero gravity, eating food that defies the laws of weight, and enjoying a unique view of the Earth that most of us can only dream of. And yet, the ISS is not a permanent fixture in our sky. It's expected to remain operational until around 2024. After that, its future is uncertain, with potential developments and challenges that can only be understood in the context of new opportunities and technologies in space. So what is life like for an astronaut on the ISS? How does the space station stay in orbit without falling back to Earth? And how long can the station sustain itself in the harsh environment of space? So join us on this cosmic journey as we delve into the fascinating world of the International Space Station. The birth of the ISS is a story of international cooperation and technological marvel. This space station, which we now know as a beacon of human achievement, began its journey in the cosmos on the 20th of November, 1998. It was not the work of a single nation, but a collaborative effort of several countries, each contributing their expertise and resources. The United States, through NASA, joined hands with Russia's Roscosmos, Japan's JAXA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. Together, they embarked on an ambitious project to create not just a space station, but a home for astronauts, a laboratory for scientists, and a symbol of unity for the world. The construction of the ISS was a process unlike any other. It wasn't built on Earth and then launched into space. Instead, it was sent up piece by piece, like a colossal jigsaw puzzle. These parts, each designed and constructed in different parts of the world, were launched aboard various rockets and shuttles. Once in orbit, astronauts came together to assemble these pieces, a task requiring precision, skill, and a strong understanding of the unforgiving environment of space. The assembly of the ISS was a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of humanity. It was a task performed in the harsh void of space, where the smallest mistake could have catastrophic consequences. But through tireless effort and unwavering determination, the astronauts were successful. They turned a collection of parts into a fully functioning space station, a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation. And so, the International Space Station came into existence, orbiting the Earth at an altitude of 408 kilometers. It stands as the most expensive structure ever built, a monument to our ability to dream, innovate, and achieve. Thus began the life of the most expensive structure ever built, soaring above us at an altitude of 408 kilometers. And even now, as it circles our planet, the ISS continues to inspire us, reminding us of what we can achieve when we work together. The ISS isn't just a fancy piece of engineering floating in space. It serves a significant purpose. Think of the International Space Station as humanity's outpost, our very own science laboratory in the cosmos. The ISS's primary function: scientific research. This floating lab is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment to conduct experiments across a myriad of disciplines, from biology and physics to astronomy and meteorology. Scientists get to study phenomena in ways that wouldn't be possible on Earth, thanks to the microgravity environment of the station. One area of interest is the study of the human body in space. The ISS allows us to understand how our bodies react to prolonged periods of weightlessness. It's a unique opportunity to study the effects on bone density, muscle mass, and the cardiovascular system, which are invaluable in preparing for future long-duration space missions. But the ISS is more than just a science lab. It's also a symbol of international cooperation. The station is a joint venture between 5 space agencies: NASA in the United States, Roscosmos in Russia, JAXA in Japan, ESA in Europe, and CSA in Canada. This partnership is a testament to what humanity can achieve when we put aside our differences and work towards a common goal. Moreover, the ISS serves as a stepping stone for future space exploration. Through the station, we are learning how to live and work in space, which is vital for our future ambitions of setting up bases on the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Lastly, let's not forget about the ISS's role in education. Astronauts aboard the station regularly connect with students on Earth, inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. From understanding the universe to developing future spacecraft, the ISS is at the forefront of space research and exploration. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of hope in the vastness of space. The International Space Station, our home away from home. Life on the ISS is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine waking up not to the sound of an alarm clock, but to the hum of a space station orbiting our planet at a speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour. This is a typical morning for astronauts aboard the International Space Station. Starting the day, astronauts unstrap themselves from their sleeping quarters. Small, personal cabins just enough to fit a sleeping bag. In zero gravity, there's no need for a comfy mattress. You're constantly floating even when you sleep. Breakfast isn't your typical eggs and bacon. It's more like a vacuum-sealed packet of scrambled eggs and thermostabilized bacon that you rehydrate with water before eating. But don't worry, astronauts say the food isn't half bad, and there's a surprising variety including shrimp cocktail and chocolate pudding cake. Once nourished, astronauts kick off their workday, which usually involves maintenance tasks, scientific research, and exercise. Yes, exercise. Without gravity, muscles and bones can weaken, so astronauts need to work out for about 2 hours each day to stay healthy. Working in zero gravity can be challenging. Simple tasks on Earth, like writing with a pen or drinking a cup of coffee, can become tricky. But astronauts adapt quickly, learning to use surface tension to their advantage and writing with specially designed space pens. Despite the rigorous routine, there are moments of awe-inspiring beauty. Imagine watching 15 sunrises and sunsets every day. Picture looking out the window and seeing our blue planet, continents, and oceans outlined against the blackness of space. And when the day is done, they strap themselves back into their sleeping quarters. The Earth's glow outside their window, the silence of space their lullaby. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember there are people living among the stars. As we look to the future, the ISS continues to be a beacon of human achievement and potential. This incredible space station is expected to remain operational until at least 2028, but its legacy will undoubtedly live on much longer. The ISS is not just a science lab, it's a stepping stone for future space missions, a platform to test and refine the technologies needed for long-duration space travel. It is paving the way for a new era of space exploration, one that will take us back to the Moon, onto Mars, and perhaps even beyond. Yet, the road ahead is not without its challenges. The outer space is a harsh environment, and the ISS must constantly withstand the risk of micrometeoroid impacts, radiation, and the vacuum of space. As the station ages, the likelihood of system failures increases. Each of these challenges presents an opportunity for innovation, for solutions that will drive the future of space exploration. In the coming years, we can expect to see a multitude of developments. There is talk of commercializing the ISS, of opening it up to private companies for research and potentially even tourism. Imagine a vacation in space, a chance to see our beautiful blue planet from a perspective few have had the privilege to experience. There are also plans to expand the station's international cooperation. Already, the ISS is a testament to what can be achieved when nations work together. By inviting more countries to participate, we can foster a global community united in the pursuit of knowledge and exploration. As the ISS orbits our planet, it not only symbolizes our achievements in space, but also our aspirations for the future. It stands as a testament to our collective ingenuity, to our desire to understand and explore the universe. The ISS is more than a space station. It's a symbol of what we can achieve when we reach for the stars.